The 10-point TUTMA slope indicator repaints at first. Repainting indicators are no help, especially if you just new in trading. This indicator is good if you like subgraph indies. This is one of the many variations of TMA. History of this indie indicates no repainting as trend indicators, such as this is just like any other MA indicator. Maybe we just need a little tweak with this trend indicator and MA, and you will notice that almost all signals are just the same. What is TMA slope indicator? Triangular moving average indicator is a modified version of one of the most basic technical indicators used in trading, moving average, commonly also known as MA, while the triangular MA is known as TMA. You can see triangular moving average on a chart represented by a line. The value of the triangular moving average is smoothed moving average of the smoothed moving average of the price. So, in practice, a TMA is a smoothed MA. You just apply double smoothing to the prices to calculate it. This double smoothing often allows traders to avoid whipsaw in entry and exit. The slope of TMA is an indicator of the momentum of TMA's movement. TMA slope alert indicator. In many cases, it is useful to be notified when TMA's momentum changes according to its slope. You can benefit from these alerts in both trend following and trend reversal strategies. To obtain this missing feature, you can download our TMA slope alert indicator for MetaTrader. This indicator allows you to receive alerts when TMA slope crosses the zero level. You can choose to receive notifications via. Another useful feature of TMA slope alert indicator for MetaTrader is that it can draw buy and sell signals in the shape of arrows when there is a crossover with zero. TMA slope alert indicator source code. If you are interested in alert indicators, you can use the source code of the present TMA slope alert indicator for your further development. Additionally, you can inspect the code of our alert indicator template, which was used as a foundation for this indicator. TMA slope Forex indicator. For MT TMA slope Forex indicator is a unique indicator that shows reading at an independent window below the main chart. Investors can use this tool to transform the accumulated history data. Therefore, investors have an opportunity to detect various peculiarities and patterns in price dynamics that are not visible to the naked eye. This indicator works fine at the 15M, 30M, 1H, and 4H charts and suitable for any currency pair of the Forex market. Based on the visualization of this indicator, it's elementary to identify the market conditions. Therefore, the trend is a combination of slopes around a middle, 0.0, line and histogram, different colored bars and dots. The TMA slope indicator is a simple slope of a triangular moving average compared and normalized with the average true range of the last 100 periods. Simply follow the dots and the bars, above or below the middle line, to find out entry positions. When the dots are white, the bullish pressure comes at the asset price and enters when the blue dots are seen at the bars below the middle line's edge. As the price continues to move higher, the red bars may become green. Above the middle line, the dot color remains the same until the selling pressure comes up or traders lose interest to buy the asset. Thus the bullish trend ends, and the price starts to fall. The dots at the bar's edges become red till the bearish trend ends. Before placing an order, compare the trading signal/order direction between two or more time frame charts for more accuracy and sort out the lower time frame charts' fake price shifting points. Small retracements of the lower time frame charts can be ignored by the nature of trading with this indicator. Most basic oscillators are based on an underlying moving average line or any of its derivatives. Different underlying moving average lines produce oscillators with different characteristics. The TMA slope alerts indicator has a characteristically smooth oscillator which identifies momentum and trend reversals. What is the TMA slope alerts indicator? The TMA slope alerts indicator is an oscillator type of technical indicator based on the triangulated moving average, TMA. This indicator plots histogram bars which oscillate around a midline, which is zero. Positive bars indicate a bullish trend, while negative bars indicate a bearish trend. This indicator also plots dots to indicate the direction of the short-term momentum. Blue dots indicate a bullish momentum, while red dots indicate a bearish momentum. It also provides signal alerts based on momentum reversal signals, and also allows for push notifications sent to an email. How the TMA